Morning, guys. Another beautiful day. Back at it again with another vlog. Already down in the Keys, heading to work. Just stopped to get a drink. Yeah, boy. Alright, catch you guys in a bit. Yeah, boy. Forming up a step. Already formed or whatever. Pouring concrete. Working hard. But look at this view, though. Should be fishing.
Ronnie Vlogs here. We made a hot air balloon and a paper and 2 balloons. I'm gonna put a trash pack on it, see if it hovers. Look, it hovers.
Pretty cool.
Oh, let me go get another one. Be right back. Second trash pack. Nope, doesn't hover. Tabby sees the helmet going. She's going cuckoo. The helmet on my door is. Wait a minute, let me retry this. Take you out and then hover, hover. Go towards the fan that's not on. Turn this sucker off. I pressed it on by accident. How do you turn it off? Slim Jim body with Slim Jim body. Slim Jim body with the Slim Jim body. Slim Jim body with the Slim Jim body.
What's your shirt say?
Play more video games. Homework kills trees.
Oh, I hear thunder. Chew with your mouth closed. You sound like a cow.
Moo!
Well, RC's gonna see this and tell you chew with your mouth closed, boy.
Yeah, boy. All done for today. Almost 2 o'clock. Got all the tools picked up. Man, it's hot. Look at that. Getting ready to head home now. See you in a bit. Yeah, boy. All right. Just got back into town. Headed home now. Man, what a day. Even though I got up early. It was hot. Woo! All right. Wonder what they doing. All right. Catch you at the house. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Yeah,
Finally
boy.
home.
You wanna see something cool?
Yeah.
Like watch.
How was your day?
Good. You wanna play Angry Birds with me?
Okay, I'm gonna play Angry Birds now.
Okay. Okay. First. Okay.
How was your day?
Good. Pick a card.
Okay.
Pick any card. Okay. Now, what's it say?
100.
I know. What does it say for you to? You gotta set up. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Did I win yet?
No, I'm trying to set up. We haven't even set up the thing yet. We're trying to set
I
up.
want this red one.
Okay, you get the red one and the yellow one. That's all you get. Because this is what it says. All you could get is these two defeat two. You get this and this to defeat that.
Here we go.
Maybe you could put it behind that for it to work.
Let's get a bird's eye view. Aw, really?
Here, I'll show you. I'll show you something
Right.
like it. Look. Too high, too high. Whoa! I don't know why they're making that noise. Dang it.
Wow, you
almost hit him.
Wow.
I almost hit it. What the heck? This is crazy.
Yeah, boy.
I won. Okay, now it's my
Yeah, boy. Time to eat. Wait till y'all see this. Yeah, boy. Bon appetit.
What you call taco salad.
Yeah, boy. What you doing?
Trying to play this game.
What's this game called?
Cuddy Squad.
Cool.
Dang, it's hard to get up there.
He got it yesterday for his birthday.
Jump.
I'm jumping.
You can't move that spring somewhere else?
Yeah, boy.
Maybe.
What do you want to do?
We want you to like and subscribe and just comment down below. Yeah, boy.
Alright, guys. I'm going to start getting this edited and uploaded. And I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, boy.
Waiting for you.